Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Smart School's virtual classroom. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important and the most familiar geometric figure. Yes, my dear students, our today's topic is circle and its elements. The elements of a circle are center, circumference, radius, diameter, semicircle, chord, arc, and in the last we will talk about segment and sector. But before going to the elements of a circle, we will talk about circle itself. A circle is a plane figure consisting of points that lie at the same distance from its center. Dear students, a circle is traced on a plane in such a way that its distance from the moving point to the fixed point is always constant. Now we will talk about the elements of a circle. The first and the most important element of a circle is its center. The center of the circle is the fixed point on the plane from which the distance of the moving point is always constant. You can understand this with the help of this animation. In this animated circle, the inner part which is constant around which the moving point is moving is called the center of the circle. The center of the circle is always remain constant means it is the fixed point of circle. The next two elements are circumference and radius. The circumference of the circle is the boundary of the circle. Usually the boundary of geometrical figure is known as perimeter, but in case of circle it is circumference, not perimeter. You can notice that this dark black line is showing you the circumference of the circle, and I have made this prominent by using this dotted line and arrow. Now come to the radius. The distance between center and a point on the circumference is called the radius. There are 2 points. First point is showing you the center. This is the center of circle, and the second point is lie on the circumference of the circle. So the line segment which is joining these 2 points is called the radius of the circle. And now we have diameter. The diameter is the distance between 2 points on the circumference along a straight line that passes through the center. As you can see on the screen that there are 3 points. The first point is the center of circle, and point A and B are located on the circumference of the circle. So the line segment that is passing through the center of circle is called the diameter. Or you can say that the line segment that is joining point A to B is called the diameter of circle. A diameter is the double of radius. And now we have semicircle. The diameter divides the circle into 2 parts. Each part is known as a semicircle. Dear students, remember that the word semi means half. So the word semicircle itself telling you that I am the half of the circle. On the next slide, we have two elements. The first is arc and the second is chord. Any part of the circumference or perimeter of the circle is known as an arc of the circle. Means you can say that all the curved part of boundary are called its arc. A line segment that joins the end points of an arc is called the chord. Let's clear our concept with the help of their figures. The first figure is showing you the chord of circle. Dear student, as you know that chord is the line segment that joins two end points of the circumference. So this line segment is the chord of the circle. And the next figure is showing you the arc of the circle. There are 2 points A and C, and these 2 points are located on the circumference. Means you can say that this part of the boundary or this part of the circumference is known as an arc of the circle. Or you can say that AC is the arc of this circle. And we can also say that AB is the arc of circle, or we can say that BC is the arc of circle. Because simply arc is the part of circumference. And now we have segment and sectors. A segment of the circle is the area enclosed between an arc and the corresponding chord. The area between two radii is called a sector. Radii is the plural of radius. Now come to their figures. The first figure is showing you the segment of the circle. As you can see on the screen, the shaded region enclosed arc between arc and the chord is called the segment of circle, and this segment is called the minor segment of this circle because this line segment or this chord has divided the circle into two parts. So these two parts are called the segment of circle. This longer part or this greater part is called the major segment, and the smaller part is called the minor segment of the circle. Now come to the sector. As you know that the sector is the area between two radii. So like segment, this circle is also divided into two sectors. The first one is called the minor segment, and this greater part is called the major sector of this circle. Now I hope you have a clear idea about circle and its elements. Inshallah, we will join you in the next video soon. Thank you for watching this video.